I'm Donna Mioli.
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Miles.
And?
I'm Noah.
I'm Alex. I'm from Maryland.
We're from Emmanuel United Methodist Church in Laurel, Maryland.
Amazing. What are you doing in New Orleans?
We're working with Youths Rebuild New Orleans to rebuild New Orleans.
We're building this home for Coach Carl, Coach Washington. Right now we're putting on the siding. We basically just finished this whole side. I wasn't in this group, but they finished the back. I was working on this side. We're about to finish up the last part on the end. And that's basically what we're doing here for today.
Amazing. Are you having a good time?
I'd say so, yeah. Better than staying home.
That is true.
We wanted to come 2 years ago to New Orleans to help people who are still being affected by storms and natural disasters. But we couldn't because of COVID, so we're very happy to be here now.
I'm going to ask you 5 questions, and your job is to answer them as accurately as you can to the best of your ability. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It is okay if you get them wrong. It is only a competition. There is no prize. Question number 1. The Louisiana Purchase. Louisiana was bought from France for $15 million by which U.S. president?
Abraham Lincoln.
No.
I should know this. Hold up.
Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson.
President Nixon.
The guy's last name is Bush, maybe?
I think Jefferson?
Correct. The French Quarter, otherwise known as the Vieux Carré, is the oldest part of New Orleans. Can you tell me what year it was founded?
1945.
I don't know.
1694.
I don't know. I think it's like the 1840s or something. Wait.
1994.
1492?
1894.
It was founded in 1718.
That was close.
I'm sweating so much. It was a bad idea to wear pants today. Mardi Gras, French for Fat Tuesday, is possibly the most well-known holiday to come out of New Orleans. It begins on January 6th and ends the day before what day?
Monica.
Ash Wednesday.
The day before New Year's. I mean, the day before Christmas.
Ash Wednesday.
It ends before Ash Wednesday.
What is Ash Wednesday for a bonus point?
It's where they give up something.
Lent.
It's the beginning of Lent.
Correct. All right, which of the following is not a dish synonymous with NOLA? Gumbo, etouffee, pierogies, or muffalata?
Muffalata.
Muffalata.
Pierogies.
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 Correct. Pierogies are a Russian little sandwich pastry thing. They are very good. I highly recommend you try them. Which of these jazz singers is not from New Orleans? Louis Armstrong, Irma Thomas, Fats Domino, or Brenda Lee?
Brenda Lee.
What was the second one?
Irma Thomas.
I'm gonna say that one.
Faz Domino.
Domino.
Brenda Lee.
Brenda.
Correct. Can you guess where she's from? She is from Atlanta, Georgia.